Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at the various repair methods available to address damage to your vehicle's glass. Whether you're considering DIY repair kits or seeking professional assistance from auto glass technicians, we'll provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Join us as we explore the pros and cons of each repair option and offer practical tips for ensuring a successful repair process. Cost of repairs versus replacement. Deciding between repairing or replacing your windshield or auto glass often boils down to cost implications. In general, repairing a small chip or crack is more cost-effective than replacing the entire windshield. Quick fixes can save you money in the short term and prevent the issue from escalating into a larger problem that requires a full replacement, which can be more expensive. On the other hand, extensive damage that compromises the structural integrity of the glass may necessitate a complete replacement. While this option can be pricier up front, it ensures the safety and functionality of your vehicle in the long run. Considering the cost-effectiveness of repair versus replacement is essential in managing your expenses while prioritizing your safety on the road. Factors affecting repair and replacement costs. Several factors influence the costs associated with windshield and auto glass repair and replacement. Understanding these variables can help you anticipate expenses and make informed decisions. The extent of damage. The size and severity of the damage directly impact the cost of repairs or replacement. Larger cracks or multiple chips may require more materials and labor, leading to higher costs. Type of glass. The type of glass used in your vehicle, such as laminated or tempered glass, can affect pricing. Specialized glass or custom features may incur additional charges during repair or replacement. Vehicle model. The make and model of your vehicle can influence repair costs due to varying glass specifications and availability. Luxury or rare vehicles may require unique parts that are more expensive to replace. Labor costs. Labor charges for windshield and auto glass services can vary based on the service provider, location, and expertise required. Seeking quotes from different providers can help you compare prices and find the best value for your budget. Insurance coverage. Your insurance policy may cover some or all of the costs associated with glass repair or replacement. Understanding your coverage options and deductible amounts can help you assess the financial impact of these services. By considering these factors and weighing the cost of repair versus replacement, you can make informed decisions that prioritize both your budget and the safety of your vehicle. Taking proactive steps to address glass damage promptly can prevent further complications and expenses down the road. Maintenance tips for windshield and auto glass. Taking care of your vehicle's windshield and auto glass is crucial to ensure their longevity and your safety on the road. By following some simple maintenance tips, you can keep your glass in top condition and avoid costly repairs. Let's explore some effective techniques to maintain your windshield and auto glass. Cleaning techniques for extended glass longevity. Regularly cleaning your windshield and auto glass not only enhances visibility but also helps prevent damage and increase their lifespan. Here are some cleaning techniques to consider. Use a high-quality glass cleaner. Opt for a specialized glass cleaner that is ammonia-free to avoid damaging the glass and leaving streaks. Microfiber cloth for wiping. When cleaning the glass, use a soft microfiber cloth to wipe off dirt and grime gently. Avoid using abrasive materials that can scratch the surface. Clean in a shaded area. Direct sunlight can cause cleaning solutions to dry quickly, leaving residues on the glass. Clean your windshield and auto glass in a shaded area to ensure a thorough cleaning. Regular cleaning schedule. Make it a habit to clean your vehicle's glass at least once a week to prevent the buildup of dirt and debris that can impact visibility. Preventive measures to avoid damage. In addition to keeping your windshield and auto glass clean, taking preventive measures can help avoid potential damage and the need for repairs. Here are some proactive steps to protect your vehicle's glass. Maintain a safe following distance. Avoid tailgating to reduce the risk of debris kicked up by other vehicles hitting your windshield and causing chips or cracks. Park in the shade. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can weaken the glass and make it more susceptible to damage. Whenever possible, park your vehicle in a shaded area or use a sunshade. Avoid sudden temperature changes. Extreme temperature variations can stress the glass and lead to cracks. Gradually defrost your windshield in the winter and avoid using hot water to clean icy glass. Replace worn wiper blades. Old or damaged wiper blades can scratch the glass surface, affecting visibility and potentially causing damage. Regularly inspect and replace worn-out wiper blades. By incorporating these maintenance tips and preventive measures into your routine, you can ensure the longevity and durability of your vehicle's windshield and auto glass. Stay proactive in caring for your glass to enjoy a clear view of the road ahead and maintain a safe driving experience. In conclusion, when it comes to windshield and auto glass repair options, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of each choice carefully. Whether you opt for a quick fix or a full replacement, prioritizing safety and quality is key. Remember to consider factors like cost, convenience, and expertise when making your decision. Don't hesitate to reach out to professionals for guidance and assistance. Your vehicle's well-being and your safety on the road are worth the investment in reliable repair services. Drive safe and stay informed about the best solutions for your auto glass needs. We hope you gained valuable knowledge about the different repair methods available and feel more confident in addressing damage to your vehicle's glass. Remember to prioritize your safety on the road by addressing any windshield or auto glass issues promptly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.